You want to hear a joke?
Yes.
What kind of joke do you want to hear?
What kind of jokes?
How about a Pokemon joke?
Okay.
What do Snorlax and Daddy have in common?
What
They both always snore.
am I?
You want to hear another secret about Pokemon?
Yes.
Have you heard of an Ekans and an Arbok? Do you know what they are?
Both snakes?
Uh-huh. But do you know what their names mean?
No.
Ekans is snake backwards, and Arbok is cobra backwards. Pretty cool, huh?
Yes.
What?
Which one my jungle?
All right, last one.
Hey, which one my jungle? Nick, what are you said?
The
Cobra?
cobra?
Yes. Nick.
Probably the cobra
Why?
because it's bigger.